what's up? It's another video. Wait, I look crazy.
You do look crazy.
Okay guys, so we're filming on Suma's phone, but
our SD card broke, like the chunk just like ripped off. Oh wait.
So we don't know when we're gonna get it, so we can be able to upload. So we're just trying to go on the phone.
Oh wait, and our Mexico part 2 video is coming out today, so it should be now.
It should be
by
out.
now, because I have another video this week.
Okay guys, but today is July 21st. It's 3:02. We're gonna go to the pool. We're gonna go for probably a while,
and we're gonna get food to barbecue. French braid my hair down.
But yeah, let's talk about our fits. So let's do that again. Yeah, guys, this brings back memories.
I miss Mexico.
Okay.
I looked like be like, oh yeah, you guys didn't have any fun, but we were
having such fun time
in the moment. But we weren't filming.
It was just like we got after the pool.
Sunburn. So obviously we were tired.
Yeah,
and also we weren't like those other YouTubers that like don't enjoy their time so they can film. We enjoyed our time and did.
Exactly. We had a lot of updates, but it's okay. Our video was still pretty long. But let's talk about our fits. So this is from Shein. It was originally Seema's, but now it's mine. And then I think this is. Can you check for me?
Forever 21.
Forever 21. Okay, then for you.
I don't know where this swimsuit's from, and then I got these from Airpost. I don't know my Crocs.
Oh yeah, we don't show my green shoes. We don't show.
There's a green shoes. Okay, so she's gonna French braid my hair, and
should we show them like a picture? Okay, guys, let's show you a picture. Go onto Pinterest, you guys.
Okay. Pick French braids.
Wow, this is not sponsored. Don't look at my search. I'm just kidding. My searches aren't bad. It's French braid because some people don't know the difference, but French braid. Whoa. This one.
Whoa, yeah.
That's the one.
That's the one we're doing.
That's the one. Are we thinking 2 braids or are we thinking 1 braid? Okay, 2 braids. Okay, guys, so this is our inspo pic.
Okay, we should put it in like this.
Oh, yeah. But yeah, see you guys after.
Hair and human.
Good job. Okay, now this is going to be fun.
Why? How do you tie it in like that? Just shut up and take it off. Okay, so that didn't work because my hair wouldn't stay in place. It's fine. I have this like mini braid thing that I do and it works.
What else do we need?
Halfway done. Actually, I did this by myself.
Okay. This is the state we're in. It's 3:20. Currently braiding, grabbing the beach towels. Can't forget her sunglasses. All right, I'm gonna put it in here. Oh my god. But this is our bag. Woo. Okay, 360. But ooh, they're cute. I'm gonna attempt to do my hair. I'm gonna leave it in the pool so you come. That's what I love doing. Okay. We have to depart out. Come.
Put your seatbelt on.
We have to pray. Let's do a tote bag haul. So we did this really cute, like we want to be like aesthetic. Okay, so we have this beach towel. We have this one with a lady on it. And then we have this zebra print. This is one I like, but we have this cap. It's not gonna work with me, but
After sun cooling lotion.
after sun cooling lotion.
Some bum soul oil.
It's like sunscreen.
It is sunscreen. It's not like sunscreen.
Then we got gum. I'm gonna grab this. See my catch. Okay, so we're here. Look at the pool. Oh, it's cool. So we're gonna grill here. There's also a sink. Yeah, am I showing? Hey guys, this is the pool. This is my swimsuit. Sim's right there. My mom's right there. Okay guys, we're gonna jump in, and if you could smell the smell right now, it smells really good. Also, this is our view. We're gonna jump in. This is 3 feet. Oh my god.
I'm relaxed because it feels so good.
It's so hot though. Like, let's talk about something. How's your summer been going?
Oh, really?
Basically, we only went on 1 vacation. Went to Mexico for a week.
We might go on a second one.
We're planning.
That's not finalized yet.
Yes.
And we're already planning for next year summer.
Yes, like we want to go. You guys, we're gonna create the things on TikTok where they're like, "Oh, can you hold this for me? Hey, can you hold this for me real quick? Can you video me?" Okay, that's it.
Can you do this?
Okay. You're like, what? Okay, your turn.
Hold this for me real quick?
Yeah.
You want to start guys?
We're so funny, actually.
We are. Like, we're like hilarious.
Very funny. Okay, we're in the bigger pool. It's so cool over here. It's so cold. It's cold. Okay, why did it actually? It's not that bad.
It's not that bad.
We're actually we're very short people.
Yeah.
Look at us. We're tiny. Okay, ready? 3, 2. Viva Mexico! Viva Mexico! Viva! Viva Mexico! Viva! Yeah, guys, now it's time to eat. Okay, let me show you what's on my plate. So I have rice, salad, hot dog. Hot dog is so good. Beef skewer, rice, onions, peppers. Hey guys. Okay, go back. It's break time. Let's talk about something. Let's do something. Just so weird about
Number one. Most obnoxious chewer in the world. Why's my hair like that? It's like kind of like bumpy. It's very sexy. You're like,
Dead. I'm dead. I'm dead right now. But my hair. Well, it looks better in the mirror, but then in like we went into the sauna like half the time. I think that was the first time we ever didn't really go to the sauna. Yeah. Okay, guys, let's tell them our plan. So we're going to Giant because we have a s'more machine and we like barely used it. So we're gonna. Yeah, so we're gonna go to. It's a perfect video for it, you know. So we're gonna take that out and then go buy some. Yeah.
I'm going like this.
That's cute. It's giving fashion. It's giving. Oh no. It was already open anyway. More time! We have the graham crackers, we have the marshmallows that are already open, we have the Hershey, we got the mini sizes, and look at these cute little, oh my god, it's like a little mini kit. And it comes with this, and you put this I think on there, and then the burner goes on the bottom, and then it's like, okay, so I'm a little scared right now. Okay, I got it. Is it the twin? Oh.
Went out. You just want to do it on the stove?
No. Let's start. Okay. I'm gonna rip these open.
Sorry with this. Look at this.
Graham crackers. Look at that.
Chocolate.
Right, the graham cracker. Okay, I'm gonna split mine. Break. I might have one. You just want to eat one, like that?
Okay.
There's no heat coming out.
I'm just on the stove then.
Why? We moved it up.
Because the thing that would be
We're moving to stove. Oh. Oh my god. Wait, get it closer. Show it to them. Show it to them. Okay. This is a little burnt. Alright. The marshmallows? Okay. I'm not gonna do like Seema. Sorry, we're watching Doorman right now. Oh, mine's getting good. Guys, mine is getting good. Oh my god, I'm getting it crispy. Oh no. No way. Look at that. Alright. You on? Alright guys. Time for talk for the moment. Whoa. Whoa. Crazy, let's try it. Video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. It was just a fun day in our life. Make sure to watch all our other videos. And stay tuned for more. Ibrahim, just out.